Hello everyone! Julie is here. Today you will learn how to draw a coconut drink. So, what you will need for drawing a coconut drink, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be color pencils, markers, crayons, paints, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, let's draw a coconut. Let's start drawing our coconut from a squished circle. So I will be drawing the squished circle here. And I'm using pencils, so if something goes wrong, I will just rub it out. And then I will leave the space and repeat this line here. If something is not ideal, don't worry, just rub it out and correct. And it's actually not necessary that everything is perfect, because it's just a drawing and we are creating a coconut and it mustn't be perfect, because nothing is perfect in nature as well. So on this one I will be drawing a semicircle here, so and then connect these lines. So I try to keep it up to the center. You can make a line here just to help yourself to connect it, and then go from this and down. And if it's too big, like I have done, you just rub it out and correct. So I'm just correcting the line, and that is why it's very useful to draw first with the pencil and then use, if you wish, markers, or just use your pencils. So I'm just correcting it and connecting these lines as well. And I also will make it more circled here, and I will keep less space than here in this one, because we actually can't see this line because it's near to us. So I will just connect these lines here, and goes to keep this perspective line. So I'm just connecting it, and our coconut is almost ready, guys. So let's draw funny face. I love drawing funny faces. So we are drawing eyes first of all for our coconut, and we are just drawing 2 circles here, and then repeating the line 1 and 2 twice. So repeating twice, and then I will leave a spotlight here, and you can also make small spotlights, 1 or 2 or 3 even if you wish. Eyebrows like a drops, and you also can draw a funny smiley face here. And I will draw an umbrella to decorate my coconut drink. So I will draw a straight line here and repeat, not too wide, just repeat it. And my umbrella top will be here. So, and now I just will draw an open umbrella, so a triangle here, and just try to keep these lines on the same level. And I'm just drawing a zigzag line here just to connect my umbrella. And I will also, you can draw a line, it can be visible or not, because umbrellas can have this visible and invisible lines. So we will draw these lines, 3 lines probably, just to create an umbrella look. So I will just draw this line here, and it will come here, and 1 line here, and it can come here, and 1 more somewhere here, comes here, like this. And you can also decorate your coconut drink with flowers, and we will need a straw. So I will just draw another line here, and we'll go like this, and then make it, as its straw must be a little bit wider than an umbrella. So, and now I will bend it and go this way and repeat and keep it the same as here. So, and just draw a squished circle here, and you can also draw these lines on the band. And I will decorate my coconut drink with flowers, so I will draw here and here 2 flowers just to decorate it and make it look funny. So I will draw 1 flower here, probably. I will go this way and I will start drawing it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, then it goes on the eye and close 1 row, so it's okay. And then I will just rub it out these lines, so I don't need them because the flower comes here, so 1 eyebrow won't be seen, but it's okay. And now I will draw another flower here, so I will move it here just not to cover an eyebrow, and I will be drawing again the same flower with 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you probably would like to draw more petals or more flowers, and you can go all around, just up to you. I'm just showing you the idea of 2 flowers, and you can also add eyelashes if you wish to make your coconut drink cute, or just leave it without eyelashes. And if you wish, you can just imagine that our coconut drink can walk, so I will be drawing little legs and little hands. And you can also draw something, put something into its hand, so and just circles on the at the end. And I will probably draw a little friend to our coconut drink in order not it couldn't be like feeling too lonely. So I will draw a slice of orange, and I will draw it very easily. So I will draw a straight line here, and then I'm drawing a semicircle like this, connecting it, and you can make it wider and repeat this line again. So we are just repeating the line and try to keep the same distance from lines. And in the middle I will draw a little white semicircle, and slices will go down. So I will just draw lines here and 1 more here. And 1 more, repeating. So a slice is ready, and you can draw a funny face here, smiling with eyelashes as well if you wish, and an open mouth, and also little legs and even little hands. So now our coconut does not feel lonely. He has got a friend, a cute orange. So what we will have to do now is just to draw these curved lines, a little bit curved one here and here, and now we have only to color it. Okay guys, let's start coloring our coconut with its eyes, and I will start coloring just with black one in the middle, and then you can make eyes blue and green and brown, or even purple. It's up to you guys. So I will make them bright blue, and you can choose your favorite color. So to color our coconut, and I'm using markers, but you can use pencils, paints, whatever you have. And I will use brown for coloring it, and I will also show some hair for our coconut. Just first we'll color it, and then you can add some details. So just color it with brown. And this part I will leave white. So and it looks already so cute, and when we will add some colors it will be even brighter. So just shading it with brown. Try to move your pencil or markers in circle direction, so it will add some volume to your coconuts, and it will be looking like with 3D effect. So just try to shade it in this direction, repeating the shape of our semicircle. And now I will add a little bit of hair to our coconut, so it will be growing in this direction. So you will just draw in these lines to show its hair. So, and you can draw as many as you wish, just to make it look cute and funny. An eyebrow I will just color it black, and this one I can't see, actually it's under the flower. And I will color flowers with yellow and orange, and you can use any colors you wish. So I will be using this yellow one to add this tropical look for our coconut drink, and add some sunny mood here. So it's summertime, so the flowers can be very bright yellow and orange, and I love yellow flowers. So in the middle I'm coloring with orange, and look how cute it looks. An umbrella I will be making this purple pink one with this some bright pink drawings and patterns. So, and you can actually color any color you wish and create any patterns you wish. I'm just creating this realistic look of umbrella, and you can leave it white or just color it with maybe brown pencil here and here. So I'm mixing, using different techniques here, markers and pencils, and it's absolutely fun. And so I will add some patterns here just to make it look cute and beautiful. So I will draw some flowers here and go in here and here as well. So you can create your own patterns on your umbrellas and decorate them. And maybe you will draw some fruits here, why not? So, and I have some green on my umbrella, so we will draw some leaves probably even, just to make it similar to this one. And isn't it fantastic, guys? Like, it looks amazing. And now I have to color our straw, so I will just use a bright blue color to color it. So I will make this one, and you can color it absolutely with one color, or make these patterns, then just color in different directions going. And this part I will make all blue because this is a band, and then I will go this way and just color the stripes. And you can draw also dots if you wish, create even your own patterns on straws. So, and now, and I will add here blue as well. So, and now I will be coloring our orange slice. So I will use orange here, just bright one. And the slices itself, I will color with pencil. We'll use lighter orange, like this. And you can also draw funny face to your orange slice. And you can also create even patterns to your oranges. Why not? Just to make it look even realistic. So I'm drawing this like movements like circles. And now I will color this bright red its mouth, and look how funny they look. And look guys, our coconut is just fantastic, and it's also a small orange slice here we have created today. And isn't it fantastic guys? We have created a beautiful picture today. Well done guys! Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing coconut drink with me. And I love drawing with you, my art friends. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you for watching, see you soon, bye bye!